Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today let's solve specimen paper 1 from workbook of treasure chest of class 9 from beta publication. So it is given at the end of your book. So the first question is about MCQs. So the first question is, in the story Bonku Babu's friend, which trait of Bonku Babu has been given at the beginning of the story? So here option B is correct. Second one, on hearing Oliver's request in the story, Oliver asks for more. The master turned pale. So option A is correct. Number 3, in the story, the model millionaire, what made we whisper what an amazing model? So here option C, the life-size picture of a beggar man. Number 4, in the story, the boy who broke the bank, for whom did Mrs. Bhushan say that he was like a bee in a flower garden? So here option A, Mr. Srivastava. Next, number 5, in Rabindranath Tagore's story, Pathik decided to, option C, to shift the log from its place and roll it away. Number 6, in the poem, The Night Mail, men long for news as, option A, they need to receive important information and documents. Next, number 7, as he goes down the corridor of the train, Skimmel Sanks dash. So here option D is correct. Paces and examines everyone's faces. Number 8, in the poem, I remember which flowers grew in the poet's garden when he was a child. So here option C, red and white roses. Number 9, on the morning of August 6, 1945, what startled the doctor in Bikram Seth's poem? So here option C, two consecutive high flashes. Next, number 10, what is the poet trying to convey through the poem? A work of artifice. So here option A, women are opposed by the society. Next one, section C. So here you have to answer any one or more questions from this particular section. So here extracts are given and you have to answer some questions. So let's deal all the questions. So the answers are as follows. So you go through by the answers, and if you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And the first question is, who was the master referred to in the extract? What was his duty at the workhouse? So the answer will be, the master referred to in the extract was Mr. Bumble's subordinate. He was fat and healthy man. His duty was to serve 3 times meals of thin soup every day, and on Sunday a small piece of bread at the workhouse. Second question, how come the Oliver had come to ask for more food? So the answer will be, Oliver had come to ask for more food because they were not fed enough. So one day, Oliver and his friends decided that one boy would walk up to the master after supper and ask for more soup, and Oliver was chosen for it. Next, question 3. What was Mr. Bumble's reaction to Oliver's request? So the answer will be, Mr. Bumble was very angry and shocked at Oliver's audacity. He believed that Oliver would become a criminal and one day they will hang the boy. Oliver was shut in a cold, dark room for a week, beaten and given extreme punishment. Next, number 4. Finally, what was decided to get rid of Oliver? Mr. Bumble decided to get rid of Oliver from the workhouse. He tries to palm off Oliver to the coffin maker, Mr. Sowerberry. Next question. What can you conclude from the story about the treatment of poor children in Victorian England? So the answer will be the treatment for poor children in Victorian England were dangerous and bleak as shown in the story. Babies were wrapped in old clothes. Children were always cold as they never had enough warm clothes. They were grossly underfed with thin soup and a small piece of bread. Hence, they used to die out of starvation, and only a few survived to adulthood. Next extract, number 5. You go through by the extract, and the first question is, why was Nathu unhappy?